The Bhagavad Gita is a book of knowledge. It's a treatise how to live life. In everyone's life, there are some hot spots. Sometimes we feel that we are facing a havoc, a disaster. It's an emergency. Like all other problems of life which can be dealt by referring to Bhagavad Gita, the disaster or the havoc that can also be dealt provided we follow the steps, we follow the directions of the Bhagavad Gita. And what are these directions? We talk here 10 steps that a person must take when he is facing a fiasco. Step number 1, talk about it. Talk about it to your friends and well-wishers. Don't keep it to yourself. Step number 2, take care of yourself. In the hour of confusion and emergency, you must be very good so far as your mental health is concerned, so far as your physical health is concerned. So you need to face everything courageously, but before that you have to look after your mental and physical health, which is very important. Limit your exposure to the images of disaster as much as you can. You have to face this, but it does not mean that you should be totally looking at it. You have to contemplate, gather your courage, and try to find a solution. Step number 4, give yourself time to contemplate on encouraging activities. And as I said, trying to find possibilities, trying to find solutions. Step number 5, face it with courage. Banish escapism. You cannot avoid a disaster by closing your eyes. So therefore, keep your eyes and ears open and muster all the courage and face it boldly. Escapism is never a solution, and therefore never try to run away from the problem. Think creatively to find out what are the possibilities, because for anything and everything there is a way out. All the solutions are available whenever there is a problem. We have only to match the solution to the problem. This requires our total dedication and focus. Don't allow yourself to get into emotional depression. At that event, it is necessary that you keep your cool and keep the emotion at bay. Don't allow them to overpower you at all. Step number 8, don't blame yourself. Don't think that it has happened because of you or your failure, even if it has, because if you do that, it will only weaken you. Step number 9, stay positive. Positivity gives you strength. Positivity is a force that will be very, very helpful to you in solving all your problems. Step number 10, spend time with friends and well-wishers. Your well-wishers will lend you support, and if you have a mentor or a guru, please discuss the entire thing. Take his help, because that will be very handy, that will be very helpful in overcoming the turmoil, the catastrophe which you may feel. Oftentimes it is not the catastrophe itself, it is how you feel about it which causes big problems. In short, we have to learn the lesson from the dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjun. How Arjun eventually is able to overcome all problems and win the war because of the help he got from Lord Krishna, his friend, his mentor, and who was Lord Himself, who was Lord Almighty Himself,